సినిమాతో అందరినీ అట్రాక్ట్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ కోసం మళ్ళీ రక్షక భటుడు అనే మూవీతో మన ముందుకు వచ్చేసారు. సో ఈ సందర్భంగా రీచాపన్ ఎన్టీవీ డిజిటల్ స్టూడియోకి విచ్చేశారు. ఎన్టీవీ డిజిటల్ వ్యూవర్స్ కోసం తనతో ఈ స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. హాయ్ రీచా, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
హాయ్, బాగున్నాను. హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గ్రేట్. సో హౌ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్గా మీరు హైదరాబాద్ని విజిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు?
షూట్ టైంలో, ప్రమోషన్స్ టైంలో, ఆర్ సమ్ యాడ్ వర్క్ ఆర్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్ సంథింగ్.
మీ కెరియర్ మూవీస్లో ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది అసలు?
Actually, I was flying with Kingfisher. Tarvata, I thought let's get a portfolio done, and I got a portfolio done and circulated it amongst all the agencies and all. And then I got a call for one ad, Bhima Gold ad in Malayalam. That ad became very popular in Malayalam, and then I got movies in Malayalam, then Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, everything. Yeah.
సో కెరియర్ ఎలా నడుస్తుంది తెలుగులో కాకుండా వేరే లాంగ్వేజెస్లో కూడా?
It's going fine. I'm waiting for one of my Malayalam movies, Crossroad, to release. It's releasing on 16th May. So yeah, after Rakshaka Bhatru, I'm waiting for that movie to release.
సో రక్షక భటుడు మీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలాంటిది?
My character, I'm playing a girl. She's from Vizag, and this girl is like a small town girl, Vizag girl, and she'll come to Aruku Valley for some work, and she'll get stuck in this police station in Aruku Valley, and then this entire story revolves around that. Yeah.
So how was your visit to Aruku?
Yeah, it was nice.
You enjoyed there?
Yes.
And what do you want to say about the director Vamshi?
Director Garu, he's like a very calm person, cool person. Like you'll never see him getting angry on anyone. I mean, if he gets angry, there must be some genuine, serious reason. Otherwise, he's always very cool, calm, and everything. I mean, you know, like no director tantrums or attitude. Very, very simple.
మూవీ పోస్టర్ కూడా చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది కదా, హనుమాన్ అండ్ ఇంకా పోలీస్ గెటప్ లో. ఆ పోస్టర్ వెనకాల ఉన్న సీక్రెట్ ఏంటి?
Actually, I also don't know, honestly. Director Garu and producer Garu, they're keeping it so secret that even I am wondering what is going to happen. So even I am not aware of it. There is something, for sure, there is some kind of suspense, and there is one thing for sure, that they're just showing police officers as God. I mean, that's the thing we are trying to say. You know, that is one thing which I'm very sure of. But apart from that, what is whose face will come, who is the hero, what is it, I don't know.
You didn't get worried who's the hero in my movie? Were you not excited?
Actually, it's something I cannot reveal at all right now, because half of the things I also don't know.
And you have any dream roles? Every actor to act cheyali ani?
Yes, I want to work with like director Rajamouli Garu. Like, it's my dream to work with him. And apart from that, I like Mahesh Babu a lot. I like Allu Arjun a lot. Yeah.
And heroines who you get inspired from?
I like Trisha, Nayanthara. I think they are like, I feel they are like true stars. You know, like who. I mean, I don't know. Like, they have some aura about them. Yeah.
And మీ ఒరిజిన్ తెలుగు కాదు, సో మీరు ఏమైనా డిఫికల్టీ, ఐ మీన్ డిడ్ యూ ఫేస్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీస్?
No, actually, I'm quite comfortable with Telugu.
You are? And talking also?
Yes, I'm quite comfortable. I mean, I can't speak in Telugu completely, but I enjoy the language. Like, I like the language. Yeah.
సోషల్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ సైట్స్ కానీ స్నాప్చాట్, ఇన్స్టా, ఫేస్బుక్లో మీరు ఎంత యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటారు?
ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో చాలా యాక్టివ్, అండ్ ట్విట్టర్, ఫేస్బుక్ కొంచెం.
సో ఫ్యాన్స్ ఏమైనా మెసేజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారా? హౌ యూ గివ్ టైమ్ టు దెమ్?
I did like 2-3 months back, I did one Facebook live, and I answered a lot of questions, and I'm planning to go live again on Facebook maybe soon, maybe before Rakshaka Bhatru release, one day before. Good idea, actually.
సో రక్షక భటుడిని మీ ఏ లొకేషన్స్లో షూట్ చేశారు?
హైదరాబాద్, అరకు,
ఇంకా హైదరాబాద్ ఏ కవర్ చేశారు?
Actually, because I told you, the entire story revolves around one police station, so we have no more options. Like,
and your style in it?
My style, I'm playing a typical Vizag girl.
So
I mean,
you
apart from one song which is little massy and little hot, otherwise, apart from that entire film, I'm playing a pakka Vizag girl. Yeah.
అండ్ మీరు ఎయిర్ హోస్టెస్ గా కూడా చేశారు. వాళ్ళు చాలా మేకప్ కానీ దే హ్యావ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫిట్టింగ్ అండ్
Yeah, you won't believe they have fixed nail polish shade, fixed lipstick, fixed eyeshadow. I mean, every shade is like fixed. You have to put only that shade of nail polish, only that shade of lipstick, and it's like so boring, you know. Like every day you're wearing same costume. I mean, same uniform, same makeup. It's a little boring after some point. Yeah.
సో ఒక యాక్ట్రెస్ గా కాకుండా పర్సనల్ లైఫ్ లో మీరు బిలీవ్ చేసే ఫ్యాషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏంటి?
My fashion statement, I think I like to mix. I like mix and match, and I like to keep changing because I get bored very fast. So I like changing, mixing things, switching the top with jeans, skirt with top. You know, like keep switching. Yeah.
సో యూ లవ్ పార్టింగ్?
Not exactly. I mean, occasionally. But I'm not a person who will go every weekend party. No.
సో సైలెంట్ గర్ల్?
Silent? Do I look silent?
No, not at all. That is why.
I'm not silent. I talk a lot, but I think talking has nothing to do with parties. Parties I don't like because first of all I don't drink and all, so it makes no sense. And then second thing is that I don't know. I don't know why I don't go for parties much. No clue. But I don't like the atmosphere much. You know.
So is there any best moment that had happened during the shoot?
I can't remember one incident. I enjoyed dancing, and there's only one song in the film, and I really enjoyed dancing on that number because after so long I was doing some dance number, so I really enjoyed that.
And who's the person who encouraged you the most in this professional career in your life?
Actually, it's very difficult to say one person, you know. Like, my family is very supportive, and my friends are very supportive. I think I don't think there is one particular person who is pushing me. I think it's me. I'm pushing myself. I have to do good. But otherwise, everybody is very supportive. Like my family, my friends, my near and dear ones. They all are very supportive. Yeah.
Also, we'll have many ups and downs when we want to reach our goal.
Yeah.
So when you're reaching your goal, did anyone discourage you, and did you face any hurdles in this?
I am facing still. I mean, it's a day-to-day struggle. Like, you know, till the time I think you are really successful, it's a everyday struggle we are going through. But I think it's part and parcel. Like when you are aiming something so huge, you want to become like the superstar, whatever your dream is, like the heroine. Or I think when you're aiming something so big, you have to struggle that much more. So it's part and parcel. Yeah.
So anyone is discouraging in this career too? Any person? So that you want to fight back and show them and prove them.
I think even if somebody is discouraging, that is also good because then
Exactly.
Somewhere it just, you know, tells us to pull us our socks and do more, work hard, and yeah. So I think we have to take everything in positive way and just keep going.
So you said you frequently visit Hyderabad for the shoots and all.
Yes.
So did you have Hyderabad biryani? How do you like the Hyderabad cuisine over here?
1,000 times I love Hyderabad biryani. Though I'm a vegetarian, but I love vegetarian biryani also a lot. I love Hyderabadi food. I love Hyderabadi food in total, and I love South Indian food also. Like rasam rice is my favorite, and dosa is my favorite. Oh God, I just say all these things, but like, you know.
Do you have any control on your calories when you eat?
No, luckily I'm naturally slim trim, and I exercise also very rarely. So for me, I'm naturally fit and I eat everything. So don't follow me at all.
So no
I
need-
eat white rice also. I eat everything, sweets, everything I eat.
So no need to follow the fitness goals.
No, it's not like that. I think I should because see, being slim is different thing. Being fit is different thing. I'm slim right now, but I'm not fit. I want to become fit.
So in this professional life, you keep being busy, and also how you give time for your personal life also.
Actually, honestly, right now nothing much is going on in my personal life. The only thing is I visit my parents once in 3 months. They live in Lucknow. I live in Mumbai. And also I try to attend most of the weddings at home, like family weddings. I try not to miss them. So, and I like going once in a year on a family trip.
And when it comes to dressing, girls will be like shop, shop, shop. How much
And
you
I'm
have towards
crazy.
shopping?
Too much. Shopping is like my stress buster. It's like, you know, I love shopping. I love shopping. In fact, most of my clothes I buy myself because that's kind of my time pass in Bombay because, yeah.
Yeah, you have any particular color in the shopping when you shop in the clothes?
See, my favorite color is pink. So every time I go, I end up buying a pink. But now I'm trying to avoid it and I'm trying to buy different colors. Otherwise, my wardrobe is full of pink, this pink, that pink. Like variety, very, very pink.
Nice. You have any dream roles like I want to act in that particular genre?
I want to do a pure love story, like full length love story. And I feel it'll suit me and my personality. So, and I feel, you know, in love stories, you get to show a lot of emotions, various emotions. So, yeah.
ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది కానీ ఆటోబయోగ్రఫీస్ ఇంకా ఉమెన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ రోల్స్ చేస్తున్నారు సో మీకు అలా ఏమైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందా
Autobiography. As of now, I never thought about it. And I don't know if I am, you know, I've reached a stage in my career where I can play someone else on screen. I don't know. Right now, I'm just taking it light, and I just want to do light-hearted romantic films, and I'm in that mode. Maybe after some time, I'll be ready for a biopic. Something like that.
when it comes to the beauty and all how do you follow that and what do you think beauty is for a woman
I think beauty is very important. Why women? For men also. Nowadays, everybody wants to look good, presentable. As you see, like in social media, every person is celebrity nowadays. You know, like I think nobody feels common anymore. It's like everybody feels special. They share their lovely pictures every day, and everyone wants to look good. I think look really matters nowadays. And how I take care of my skin is like I have a skin doctor. I usually follow whatever she says. So I just follow her blindly. I trust her and follow her blindly.
so you're not a person who love to experiment with the roles and all
No, I would love. In fact, all my films, if you see, I mean, just take Telugu. I think I've played different kind of roles in all the films. Like my roles have been really different. Like Yamuduku Mugudu, I was playing something very funny kind of thing. Chandamama Katlu, it was a mature girl, you know. Then Idu Golde, it was a different, a little negative shade. And then this one is again different, like a simple girl next door, town girl role. So I think I have played different roles in all my films. Yeah.
did you face any rumor that amazed you the most till date
About me?
yeah
No, I think no. I never. Did you hear anything? No. Even I never heard anything.
what if suddenly you'll
I
get
mean,
up
I don't think there's any rumor about me in Net
Yeah.
Touchwood, but I don't think there's any like negative rumor or any you know negative or any bad publicity about me anywhere in social media or anywhere in Google. So I really like it. There is no link up, nothing, and I like it
Yeah.
this way. Yeah.
And what if in case you'll get up all of a sudden with a fresh mind and as soon as you see the paper you'll see a rumor like Richa so and so happened.
Actually, it didn't happen with me till now.
Yeah.
If it will happen, then only I'll know how it feels. Because as of now, so I feel I'm you know sorted, simple, cute image I have. I'm not ready for any rumors or you know any kind of such thing. So. I
And
think-
since childhood, are you so girly or you're like a guy kind of tomboy?
Actually, till certain age, I think till school time, I was very tomboyish. I think till 8th I was very tomboyish. 9th onwards I became very girlish. From 9th I think I started doing makeup, nail polish. You know, so I became very girlish from 9th onwards. Till then I had like short hair, boycott hair. I was like totally tomboy.
I want to see in the boycott.
I'll show you.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'll show you.
And according to the dressing, how you love to dress?
Feminine.
Feminine.
Yeah.
You're comfortable in any dress? Or you want to follow the trend always?
I'm comfortable in any dress. Though I love wearing saris, but I don't know, every time I wear a sari, I'm very uncomfortable. And you know, I wonder some girls, you know, they'll interview and they'll say that they love wearing sari. I mean, though I also love wearing sari, but I don't know, I'm very uncomfortable in saris. Like, I don't know.
And how you love to hang out with your friends?
Ah,
Since you don't like partying, so which
I
places
like to
you
go for shopping, lunch, dinner. I like calling them home, going for house parties. I love house parties. I don't like going to club much. I like house parties a lot.
Like, what are you gonna do? That play
I mean,
cards?
Yeah, you can play Uno, or like you can play songs, you can dance, like whatever. House parties are very nice actually, because it's like it's as per your choice, like even the music is of your choice. So that's
After 20 or 25 years, what can I expect Richa to be?
God, no idea.
Like any expectation, any guess, any hope that you have in your life?
I don't plan so much. I just live in present. Seriously. Nizame Chapali, no plan. Like, I don't know where I'll be 25 years down the line.
And I would want to know, how would Richa look in these expressions? How would she look if she's having a puppy face? Happy face?
That is always there.
Sad? Angry? And how will she look like a crying baby? I don't want to make you cry now.
Yeah. I'm
And
hungry.
and a
Okay.
rapid fire now. What line suits you the
Rapid
best?
fire, oh God. What?
Line suit you the best.
What line suits me? That means in the sense, if I'm
Yeah.
getting a compliment, I like it if people call me simple and cute. I don't like to be called hot or something, like cute is what I like. Yeah.
Beautiful?
Yeah, why not?
Your favorite person?
My favorite person, my parents, my mom, dad.
What you're good at other than acting?
I think interior decoration.
Bad?
Bad. I think I talk very fast.
You?
I wish I could talk little slow and clear. I feel I talk very fast.
And what you love the most?
I love the most food, sleep, which I am not getting nowadays.
And you hate the most?
I hate. I think hate is a very strong word. I don't hate anything. Everything is good.
In all the industries you have worked, which one you liked the most and where you were comfortable?
Telugu, because I have worked here for the longest time, and I am comfortable with the language. I like the food because I'm from Lucknow, and Lucknowi food and Hyderabadi food is very similar. So I think that's what.
So you love traveling?
I love traveling. I have a very big mole in my foot here, very big mole. So, we say, like, if you have a mole here, you'll get a diamond necklace. If you have a mole here, you'll get a ring. I have a mole there. I don't know if I'm getting shoes or not, but I'm traveling a lot.
So you believe in all that?
I don't know. I have a thick mole in under my foot, so I feel okay. Maybe it's related to either shoes or traveling.
So what expectations you have with Rakshaka Bhattudu?
It's a complete entertainer, comedy, thriller. So I think people will like it. Like the families should go and watch it, and I hope they like me also.
And you want to give any message to your fans?
Please go and watch Rakshaka Bhattudu with your family and enjoy it, because it has comedy, thriller, it has nice dance number. So you all will like it.
So yeah, please do go watch Rakshaka Bhattudu to see this bubbly girl on the screen.
Thank you. Bye.